Hello, welcome. My name is Alex. This is my yoga YouTube channel. Please feel free to consider subscribing and joining me for all this yoga. And I started posting some stuff in the shorts, kind of some background, behind the scenes, food, animals, plants. This is an all levels, no props required flow that begins standing. Bring the feet together at the top of your mat, the top of your space. Roll the shoulders down, relax the temples. Focus on the breath. And arrive fully in the present moment. Commit to staying here in this beautiful present moment. The only one we ever have. Or at least the only one we can do anything with. On an inhale, reach the arms wide, lift them overhead. Breathe in at the top. Exhale, swan dive forward. Keep the knees soft. Let's linger in our forward fold, opening up the entire back body a little bit at a time. These are all rolled up. Fold. Inhale, halfway lift, long flat back. And from here, hands down, step back to a plank. Lower the knees. Untuck the toes. One round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Round. Exhale. Neutral. Tuck the toes. Sit back on the heels. Bring the pinky edges out. One hand on top of each shoulder, kind of like you have little wings. And you're going to bring the elbows together. Lift them up and open out and around. Gently use the hands to assist with this motion. Let the upper back move. Reverse the direction. And release. Make your way back to a tabletop. Let's tap out the feet, roll the ankles around. And tuck the toes, lift the knees, downward facing dog. Take any additional movement you need here, or enjoy stillness. Try to switch it up every once in a while. Look between the hands. Let's walk to the top of the mat. Halfway lift. Fold forward. Press to stand. Bring the palms together. Reconnect to the present moment. Notice how you've already shifted your energy. Inhale, keep the palms together as you lift the arms overhead. Exhale, swan dive forward. Halfway lift, inhale. From the look-up position, hands down, plank pose. Lower the knees to the mat, untuck the toes, One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Tuck the toes. Downward facing dog. Find stillness this time. Consistently pressing everything away. Look between the hands. Make your way to the top of the mat. Halfway lift, long flat back. And fold. Press 2, stand up, palms together. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Lift up, breathe in. Exhale, sweep the arms out and around, fold forward. Halfway lift, long flat back. From here, hands down, plank. Let's lower all the way down to our stomachs. Untuck the toes. One cobra. Lift up halfway. Squeeze the legs strong. And lower. Press up to a tabletop. Make it strong. And back to downward facing dog. Excuse me. Look between the hands. Let's go to the top of the mat. Halfway lift, long, flat spine. And fold. Press to stand. Palms together. Turn and face me. Just kidding. That's what it feels like for me. Turn to face you. Step the feet wide. Face the long edge of the mat. Keep the knees facing forward, hands to hips, and fold forward over separate legs. Halfway lift, long flat back. Walk the hands forward, maybe a palm print or two. We're going to twist. Keep the right hand down, open to the left. And switch. Left hand down, right arm opens. Right hand down. Keep the feet flat. Let's bend the left knee, stretching the right inner thigh, the outside of the right foot and ankle. Spine stays long. And switch. Once more to each side. So my right hip can pop. Just kidding, but it does. And switch. Come back to center. Hands to hips for balance. Help you to stand up. Interlace the hands behind the back. Roll the shoulder blades together. Inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, fold. Forward. Let the hands float over the body, stretching the chest and shoulders. Release your hands to the mat. Lengthen out the spine. Let's leave the left hand down this time as we open to the right. And switch. Left hand down. Hands to the hips. Heels in, toes out. Bend both knees. Place one hand on top of each knee. Let's open up the thighs, the hips. Don't roll in on the arches. And dip the right shoulder forward, left shoulder blade back. Switch. Let's do that once more to each side. Come back to center. Let's press the legs straight. If the balance is there, arms reach wide and overhead. Fingers spread wide. Smile. Lower the hands down. Big step to the top of the mat. Bring the feet together. Inhale, arms sweep wide and overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway. And from here, hands down, plank pose. Lower all the way down, or actually just chaturanga. If you need to lower all the way down, you can. Inhale, upward facing dog. Linger here, open up the front of the body. Press the tops of the feet down. There's a lizard. Inhale, breathe in, expand the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Look between the hands, walk to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. And fold. Press to stand. Bring the palms to touch. If balance is okay, close the eyes. Blink the eyes open. And notice how you have shifted your energy. You have chosen to move and breathe and take time for yourself. Have gratitude for your presence. I am so grateful for your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste. All right, I've got some chores to do. Did you see my little squirrel feeding video? That was kind of neat. And add me on social media. And I've been pointing out that letting the ads play does me a solid. So if you have the time and the bandwidth, and okay, I'm stopping. Let me know what you thought of this slightly shorter flow today, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Smoothie time.